me and my cops and them to my God, that's in between. We know they get this shit buzzed. I was like, not on the block and I'm thugging. Where you from, don't mean nothing. You know my body, you know. What's up, you guys? It's your left mind today. I'm back with another banger on the channel today. So, I'm at Stormy Crab with my family. I'm at Stormy Crab, and we just ordered some seafood. Pick up my sister. No, she ain't special at all.
I'm here in the flesh. Okay, tell them that we got our nails done.
Wait, let me get my intro. Okay, she's doing too much. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Link in the description with my social medias, and hers is not gonna upload. Hers is in the description too. Okay, so we got our nails done today. We went to the mall and we got our nails done. So look, show you first. I got my toes done too. They white. They just all white. But yeah, hurry up. And then this is mine.
The only thing I can say about these nails, they make my hands look cute. Cause I don't be liking my hands.
And they don't even make your hands cute.
Cause I like them. They're cuter than these nails.
No, they not. Your hands aren't cute. So what?
Okay, so we just ordered our food. We ordered so much seafood.
I'm glowing now.
We ordered our food. We ordered so much seafood. I ordered some crawfish. Crawfish would be busting, y'all. It's gonna be busting. Some Stormy Crab and order hot Cajun. I think. I don't know. But yeah. I'm about to tell y'all.
Ghetto.
But these reminded me of a little butterfly on there.
There was no purpose of getting. There was no purpose of getting a full set. They were gonna be a little bit shorter.
But don't mind them in the back. Okay, so y'all see all these names on here. So I signed my name. This is where I forgot.
Because your hands.
I thought it was gonna get shorter.
I don't know. I'm gonna show y'all at the end. We signed our name
Not like this.
everywhere.
Let me see yours.
So I'm gonna get back with y'all when we. I cannot even talk. I'm gonna come back with y'all when I get my food.
No, I thought we were talking about our nails.
We did.
No, y'all, because y'all look at my nails.
Usually she gets them like Cardi B, but a little bit smaller.
And yeah, but that's because I be doing stuff. But when it's time for a trip, though, when it's time for a trip,
Look how my mom is looking at me.
when it's time for a trip, y'all,
My
nails
looking
gonna
at me like that.
when it's time for a trip,
Oh.
when it's time for a trip.
Oh, it's
Child,
wait.
girl.
She got her nails done.
Hey.
This is just for now. When it's time for a trip. Really?
Oh, just do that.
Y'all see my shirt? This is my favorite shirt.
Y'all see my shirt?
Well, right now,
Y'all need to shut up.
right now, this is my favorite shirt that I have.
Oh my god. Okay, y'all. My mom wanted to shut up, so I'm gonna get back with y'all when we get our food.
Is you on live?
No, I'm doing it.
Okay,
Okay,
let me
y'all.
show them your hair.
Bye. Alright, we back for y'all. Got a little vest on and our
Thumbnail.
Bye. Okay, baby, we gotta pull my crawfish. Okay, y'all. Is it good? I just found my nails done too. Let me get one.
I can taste it.
Got that broccoli? No.
Yeah, no. Let me get that broccoli right now.
There ain't nothing in there.
I need it though. I want it.
Girl, you don't do nothing with that.
Well, you do. Leave it alone.
That one got a lot of sauce.
Oh, my thing came off. Yeah, I need it. I got new clothes.
That's lobster.
I want my crawfish in my bucket.
Girl, it's not yours. We're both eating it, so be quiet.
Okay, but in the one bucket. I don't want it with everybody
It's
else.
gonna be in this bucket. Which bucket?
You got me like this. Who don't?
You
Nobody.
suck it out, the head out and all that stuff.
That's how you supposed to
You
eat
better
it.
suck that head out too.
Cause I'll never come to eat seafood and y'all don't eat it, so y'all don't get it. I never come with y'all to eat it. Huh?
Chichi Pressy house.
TikTok.
No. I get it.
TikTok.
You can't eat
If she had it at Chichi Pressy house, they eat it.
Yeah, I ate it last time I went over there. Woo, look good, y'all.
Big purr.
Y'all look good. Well, y'all can't see me over there.
It's thumbnail. Hold it.
Ready?
But they can't see it.
You look good, y'all.
I'm sorry, but I'm thinking about this first.
No problem. You guys enjoy.
Let me move the camera. Alright, y'all. So y'all can see that.
Thinking
Look,
about it.
look at this crab fish. Okay, it looks ugly right there. But look, it's so ugly.
This hit different. This smack.
Where's my crab? Look at my crab fish. Y'all watch. Oh, y'all can't see me. Dang.
This is smack.
Look at my meat right there. She do too much right now. Oh, it's hot.
It's fire. Can you move? I forgot how to eat it.
Let me see y'all eat that crawfish.
Huh? Look, ma. Watch. Watch
You
this.
finna suck the head.
Like good.
This
Give
is
me
the
one.
this
Let
is
me
the
see
little
one.
thing.
Peel me, you peel me. Peel me.
It's good right here.
It's good, Mom.
Well, I don't know how to do it. Well, I don't know how to do it. Let me do it for you.
Be quiet. I saw it
Give
on
me one out.
TikTok.
Give me one. Do mommy.
I saw it
Mom.
on TikTok.
Don't do me one with that long thing on there.
No, you gotta cut it. You gotta do this.
Babe, where's my lobster?
Mama, boom. Yo, eat your. Oh, look, Marcy, you gotta eat. You gotta eat in there. They don't know how to eat this at all. They new to this.
Girl, be quiet. I do not eat this.
You never ate it though, but look, eat that.
What, Matt? What? Eat what, boo?
That.
I
That.
ain't eating that.
You have that's the that's
Give me the tail out and that's it.
okay, Mom. Then eat
What
in
she
there.
say she not
No,
eating?
I'm not
You
eating
have to
it.
eat in there. That's how you do it.
What she say she not
What I
eating?
gotta do? Suck it.
Like you gotta something like, and then you gotta it's meat inside of it.
Baby, they do it with me. I do it
You
again.
gotta eat this part too, Mom. That's the it's a good part, Mom. Eat that right there. Mom, right there is good.
Baby.
Y'all finna eat all my crawfish.
Here.
Don't even know how to eat it.
We was both getting this. Be quiet.
Look right
Eat
there.
this tail, baby.
You don't know how to crack your French out. Oh, God.
Stop saying that. I need the plate.
You got that all in my eye.
Oh, I did?
Yes.
I'm sorry.
Actually,
Yeah, just splash. Here, baby, eat this.
I'm taking these off. I can't do with these. That ain't working for me.
I think I'm doing good with this.
Potato, y'all.
Give her
Girl,
her
that's really all it
But
is.
baby, show her what to do. Give baby, let baby do it.
The potato slapped on it.
Let baby give her a crawfish.
Here.
Do it for her. She can't.
I already did it for her. She said. I don't know. Let me taste this.
Only if they cool it down, but it's okay.
I ain't not trying to be in your video eating.
Yeah, I feel like y'all.
I think so. Good job.
Yeah, watch it.
Can I try a bullet egg?
Puppy. Huh?
Let's try it.
Only one?
My look, see, look. You like fish like
Give me
that.
one of them. That's all I want is that little thing. If Daddy do it, I'll do it.
Like,
Just give me the little tail thing.
definitely gonna be on the toilet.
From that, I'm not eating that head. I only want the little.
What flavor is this over here?
I just gave you that. You said, ugh,
You
not
didn't
that.
give it to me.
You looked at it. Look, like this small. You looked at it. You was like, I don't want it.
Give me the tail, the little shrimp.
Look like what?
The
It
little
is.
shrimp.
It's just like a bug.
It's a roach. It's a sea roach. They eat sea roaches.
See, bro.
Water roaches.
We ate alligator before.
Alligator ain't no roach.
Alligator is definitely a roach. Here, Mom. Right there.
No.
Mom, that's the tail. Look.
Where? I just know that part. Yeah.
Eat right there, Mom.
I'm not eating that.
Take it off her. Okay.
Dang.
Look at the sauce that we got.
No, I don't know that.
It's fire. It's like a off-brand shrimp.
Where's the little bitty tail at the bottom? That's all I want. Y'all ain't even eating that part.
That was a little bitty tail at the bottom, Mom. That was that.
Like it?
No, it was going to be a
All right, y'all.
Hey, man. That's exactly how you open
The
it.
shell is too soft.
Too soft?
They ain't cracked.
I be needing scissors.
Use the blue thing, fool. I think I gotta take these fingers off.
Oh, I ain't eating not one mustard. Let me get a mustard.
Hey, Mom, what's the food you never ate besides crawfish?
I ain't eating crawfish. That booty ain't clean.
The way they make crawfish is so satisfying.
Probably the chef. I don't know who it is. Hey, bro.
Ooh. Ooh, look at that little baby.
You didn't just say sorry.
I heard you say
Baby,
it.
you
I
can't get
She
blood.
said sorry, Dad.
Put them in a bucket. You don't gotta keep them on. I
I just got my nails done.
She don't because she can't eat right.
So, no white nails.
I ruined.
Take them off.
Let me get a bite.
Eat the food. It's okay, you can wash that off. It's better if you can eat your food. Pick your food up and eat it. Yeah.
It ain't coming out like any of that.
Let's cook over there.
This Cajun, mild, whatever we got, fire. This sauce over here, fire.
Overcooked. Look, my shit.
Get that out first.
They cook these crawfish perfect.
They cook it. It's cooking it. Overcooking it is good for the mussels, but not for the crab. I'm having the same problem. But the meat good is there. You get it.
Yo, I'm not messy. Look at you. That's her climbing over me. This crab is low.
Dang, baby, you tearing up the muscles.
That's the only thing you know how to peel.
Oh, this is a big muscle. I need water, mama. Set that up, down the throat. Potato.
Watch it.
Come on, you pass me a water.
Watch it, show. Share. Share. I'm the mama. My lips are going numb. I'm gonna give it after chocolate. I just done ate it, cooked up, busted.